Good afternoon, good evening, and good morning to our graduates joining us from every corner of the globe. While we may be separated by screens and time zones, we are united today by a shared monumental achievement. To the faculty, the families watching with pride, and most importantly, the EC Council University Class of 25, it is an absolute honor for me to be here with you today. My name is Dr. Erdalskaya, and I'm a big fan of EC Council and EC Council University since early of my career. Congratulations again. You all deserved it, but I really want you to take you to the beginning. Think back of your first class, the challenges you overcome, the late nights you spent owning your skills. You have dedicated yourself to mastering a field that's complex but virtual. As you all know, cybersecurity is not just a field, it is a mindset. Over the past months, you have learned to think critically, act decisively, and guard relentlessly. The world you're entering is more connected than ever, and it is more vulnerable. Every device, every line of code, every email can be point of a risk. Cybersecurity is not just an IT problem anymore. It is a business issue. It is a continuity issue. And you, today's graduates, are stepped into a role of immense importance that's not just important to defense system, but to protect trust, privacy, and the integrity of society itself. The future of cybersecurity demands more than skills. It demands character, integrity when no one is watching, courtesy that never stops questioning, and resilience, because attacks will come. I challenge each of you to not just be defenders, but be educators, innovators, and leaders. Build secure systems, but also build awareness. Investigate threats, but also elevate your teams. And most importantly, never ever stop learning, because attackers won't. So, here you are armed with knowledge, driven by passion, and ready to lead. EC Council University has given you the foundation. Now, go build something that lasts. Again, congratulations, class of 2025. You are now the new guardians of the digital frontier. And you can start securing tomorrow. Your journey in cybersecurity begins now. Just before I let you go, your degree opens doors to a vast array of specializations, from threat intelligence to ethical hacking, from incident response to security architecture. Explore these avenues, explore your passion, and become a leader in your chosen field. Remember, I recommended you a few minutes ago to never stop learning, because attackers will not. Remember that behind every system you secure, there are individuals, organizations, and communities that rely on your expertise. Your work has a real and tangible impact on people's life. Don't just react to threats. Anticipate them. Be creative in your problem solving and strive to build more secure digital world for all. Security is a process, not a product. You have to think like adversary, protect like a garden. With this, go celebrate. You deserve all the best. Congratulations and good luck in your career. Heartfelt congratulations to all the graduates.